Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe to bring you the most exotic, best tasting drinks from around the world. Today we're at Flora Farms, and if you've never been here, you simply must come. And we are going to be having the El Viejo today, and my friend Chino is going to teach us how to make it. Chino, take it away, my friend.
Alright, in the beginning I'm going to start using the ingredients. We use cilantro, we use a little SERRANO chilies, and the pineapple. The three more important ingredients we use in that. And I'm going to start with, that's a Mezcal drink. We're going to start with pineapple. We're going to start with SERRANO. I'm going to use some little pieces of cilantro for flavor. It's not really spicy drink, it's just for flavor. That's it. It matches all the ingredients. Wow. I'm going to use some Mezcal. Use a legendary domingo, that's the more. We use 2 ounces of that. I'm going to use a half lime juice. Use a half of simple syrup. I'm going to use a half of orange juice. Simple orange. Pour ice on that. We're going to shake it up into this thing. This thing right here.
Nos vemos el 29 de agosto.
Mi hermano, it's a pineapple and decoration. We use a cilantro and a dry pineapple. So let me piece of that. Want to try one first?
Absolutely.
That's very good, man. Very, very. You're on the camera?
I love pineapple.
And that's the El Viejo.
Chino, the El Viejo at Flora Farms here in Los Cabos. Oh my God, that is good. Very unique flavor. This is wonderful. To get the recipe, go to Pourmanmike.com, and if you push this button right here, you will get a head-of-the-line speed pass to be a Pourmanian, and you'll get every episode as they come out. So join us each week. As always, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See you later.